At first, I didn't really want to record this video because as you guys know, I have to study. But after looking at this amazing view side of this hotel and its room, I decided, let's go there. To get to the resort, we first needed to take a plane from Kuala Lumpur to Terengganu. When we arrive, there will be a launch specifically for the Taaras Resort guests, which offers services such as land and sea transfers directly to the resort. This includes getting on a ferry, then transferring onto Redang Island, followed by getting onto another van which will take us to the resort. Alternatively, you can also take a public ferry onto the island. Now we will take a look at the Taaras Resort. Upon arrival, we are greeted by nice staff and receive our welcome drinks. The lobby has a long hallway which connects to the restaurants and the beach area. In between is what I call the communal area, which includes board and card games, table tennis, and 4 billiards table and a convenience store. By walking outside, a swimming pool can be found which is under the bridge, and outside of this restaurant, where the back is the beach. From there, the beach can be accessed, and along that is a beachside bar, which has some good pizzas. There was also this jungle gym, which is located between the oceanfront suite and the beach, which has some interesting wood-made gym equipment that suits the nature of the environment. Of course, there's a proper gym which can be found by walking distance or taking a buggy car up the hills, which has a direct view of the ocean. Before visiting the Cliff Premier Suite, we need to take a buggy car up the hills, which will take us to the room, and let's now follow my camera into this room tour. Hello guys, and today we are in the Taaras Hotel or the beach resort, and today we are living in 288. So this is the first room, and if we just walk over to here, here's the second room, and let's get started with the room tour. Starting with the first room, at first when we walk in from the outside, there's a painting right here, and the ceiling is actually a bit low for me actually because I can pretty much touch the ceiling. So we have a dining table right here, and there's some fruits right here that we can enjoy. To the front, which is mirror, and also there's some essentials that you can do some tea making and some drinking as well. To the bottom, I believe it is a fridge. Yes, it is a fridge, and I think there's going to be free drinks in there. Yeah, there's a lot of free drinks in there, and I think it is included in the package so we can actually enjoy. And to here is some cupboards that has some tea bags and also some possibly coffee bags in there. And we got some cups and some more cups right here. Over here we have our first bathroom area, which doesn't include a shower but only a sink, and turning around is a toilet. In this living room, there's this extra bed that I added in here. Coming right here, we have the sofas, have the lamp, and the paintings. And around here is the actual television. And I believe that these doors can actually be pulled out and close this, I think. Over here is a working desk. And this desk has a glass table on here and a lamp and some outlets in here, and you can see that the outside is just the sea. By pulling this connecting door, we enter the main bedroom area. In this area, you can see that there's a bathtub right outside, and it is all open spaces right here. So in here we have a king-size bed and another television right here. There's a couch, and there's a really big lamp, and over to here is the bathtub area. And what is special about this bathtub is that not only is it open and connecting to the main bedroom, but can actually see the sea outside. So if we take a round look right here, the outside is a sea view. So we are basically having a bath and facing the sea. And I believe you can open this. Okay, it's locked. In here is a spa bath, and there's some instruction right here, and we can switch it on and switch it off. And here's the bathtub. It's really big, and I believe there's a lot of functions in there, such as turning the water, getting the shower head, and I think those holes are for having the water coming out and having that spa effect. There's some other essentials right here, and I believe you can actually take this off and make it a separate room right here, but it's still going to be quite visible as well. Over here is a separate room, and this room is actually the closet combining with the another bathroom, the second bathroom right here. So over here is the small closet room. There's a safety box there, and then there's a lot of pairs of shoes, and there is the clothes hangers and also a mirror at the back. Over here, I believe it's like a makeup room, I guess. There's a desk, and then there's a seat, there's a hairdryer. Going into here is the second bathroom, and there are two sinks right here, and we have the essentials. To the left, we have the shower. The shower area consists of a shower head at the top, and also a movable shower head next to it. And we also have the essential shampoos, everything on the rack, a place to sit. Turning around, to the right hand side, it is the bathroom area, where there is two of those, which I have no idea of what is that one for. And there's also a place to hang your clothes and other stuff. Finally, outside of the living room is the balcony. It's directly to the sea view. You can see that it is still a bit under construction right there. And this is the seats, and then we have the table right here. And all of this out there, not that side, but if we just look at the side. And then down there is a beach and also the main lobby area. In terms of the internet speed, I would suggest using your mobile phone data or hotspot, as the internet in the cliff sides and mountains isn't good. For more information, please check in the description below. And that's it for the Cliff Premier Suite room tour. What are your thoughts about this room? Let me know in the comment section below. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please make sure to like the video, as well support me to make better content. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in the next hotel video.